Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add roles over on your Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. First of all, open up your Discord application and simply log in with your account. If you haven't already, then do it now so that you can continue along. After logging in, select the server you want to assign roles in and right click on its profile. Inside the menu, select Server Settings and then select Roles. Now, when you redirect it to Role Settings of your Discord server, to create a new role, simply click on Create Role button at the center, select the name of your server and a color of represent and differentiate it from other servers. You can also choose an image for its profile or leave it as it is, and a new role has been created. To create another one, simply click on the plus icon at the top and repeat the steps again and again to create another role. And you can also set the permissions for individual roles by going to this section. To give the role permission, simply toggle on the specific statements you want. You can approve it as many permissions as you want and also remove them altogether by clicking on the clear permissions. You can add members to specific roles by clicking on them and then locating the members through the search bar. If you want to delete a role, simply click on these three dots at the end of the role and click on delete role. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.